welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today we are going to be making the best vegan pancakes that you would have ever made and tasted and ate. Oh my gosh, these are so bomb. So if you are interested in the best vegan pancakes and easy to make, please stay tuned. So to get started, you want to mix together all your liquids, your melted butter, milk, and vanilla. And next we're going to start adding those dry ingredients. The first one we're going to add is flour, and then after that you want to add your baking powder, your sugar, and a pinch of salt. And you want to continue to mix and whisk your ingredients together very well until all the lumps are gone and it's a nice smooth texture. At this point your batter may be a little thick, so what you want to do is go back in and add a little milk, about either 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk, to thin it out to your liking. Now the next step is optional. I like the flavor of cinnamon in my pancakes, so you can add some cinnamon. If you don't, then of course you can omit this step, but it's totally up to you. So you want to get your pan nice and hot. Once it's ready, you can go ahead and either put oil or cooking spray in your pan. Pour your batter in and then wait for one side to get golden brown, and then you can go ahead and flip it and cook the other side until it's golden brown. And that's it. You'll just continue to cook your batter, and once it's all done, feel free to top it with your favorite pancake toppings and enjoy. What you guys think? I told you they were super easy and super scrumptious. They're super fluffy, got that buttermilk flavor going. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of this goodness happening over here at Cotton Creations. And be sure to drop me a comment below and let me know what you guys think when you try this recipe. I'm telling you, like, these are the best vegan pancakes. I've tried a lot of different recipes before and none of them come close to this one. So like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and thank you guys for tuning in.